Hello everyone and welcome to this Drive EV video on how to change the language to English and install New Zealand maps on a Japanese import Tesla Model 3. Thanks to a recent update version from Tesla 2026.14.3, owners can now download New Zealand maps directly to the car with no special tools, just the vehicle and a Wi-Fi connection. Step 1. Tap the car icon at the bottom right of the screen to open the vehicle's settings. Then tap the display icon. This will take you to your display settings. Here you'll see 3 drop-down boxes. Change all 3 of them to English. The screen will reboot, so navigate back here until all 3 are changed to English. Next, connect the car to Wi-Fi. If an update is pending, you'll see the prompt, "Please connect to Wi-Fi to download the software update." Tap it and connect to your Wi-Fi. If you don't see this prompt, tap the LTE signal, or being a fresh import, it will have a crossed out symbol with the reception bars at the top right, and connect to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, the software update icon will appear at the top of the screen. While the update is downloading, it will turn green. When it's ready to install, it will change to a clock. Tap the clock icon to install the update. Note, the car cannot be driven during the installation, so choose a convenient time to do this. After the update finishes, go to the software screen and check the version. It should now show 2026.14.3 or newer. Below the version number, you'll see the navigation map data. This will currently show a JP map or Japanese map. On the main screen, tap the software option with the blue dot showing new features. Next to navigation data, you'll see this red icon. Tap the red icon and this will pop up the navigation data region change box. Click Update and this will change your map region to the AU/NZ map. It may take a day or two, so keep your car on Wi-Fi where you can, and the car will download the local map. Once complete, the navigation data will change to AU, the Australian New Zealand map version. With a data connection, you can now use New Zealand maps just like a New Zealand New Model 3. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any help, feel free to contact us on 0800 Drive EV.